Hi, my name is Andy Burton. I'm the owner of Uncle Dell's Mambo Sauce, and welcome to Sauce Boss. So now we're going to top it with the Uncle Dell's Mambo Sauce. Please don't press down too much. We're going to take this press and press it down. The main focus of it with the meatloaf and the Mambo Sauce, I think it goes really well together. An amazing addition to this, and I think that it really makes or breaks it if you don't have this sauce. We add Worcestershire sauce and we add Mambo sauce, Uncle Dell's Mambo sauce. I think that it tastes so much flavorful than just ketchup.
That's a man that knows how to slice.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
That glazes everything. I mean, with every bite, you taste everything. The best steak and cheese sub I've ever had in my life. Uncle Dell's Mambo sauce, I love it.
I went with a nice good cut of steak instead of that pre-shredded stuff just for you. We're gonna put our steak on.
Uncle Dell.
Shout out Uncle Dell's Mambo sauce.
And I never would have thought of putting Mambo sauce on a steak and cheese. I'm just standard ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. You don't need any of that with Uncle Dell's.
Nope. Fried salmon bites. We have some roasted broccoli that we're gonna be toasting with the Mambo sauce on.
Okay.
And we also are gonna be making some maple candied bacon. It's time for the taste test.
Bon appetit. You can taste all the marinade.
I definitely taste it. I don't know if I like the broccoli more or the bacon more. Please don't eat too much.
Oh, yeah. You had to give me a minute on this. The Uncle Dell's on this thing brings it out. This thing is just great.
Yeah, a lot of people wouldn't think to use Mambo sauce like this. So, my mom is off camera, and it seems that I've made a couple of mistakes.
It's a whole
lot. I know.
And it wasn't what I taught him, so you got to have. But that's one of the good things about cooking is that you can salvage it.
Make sure that sauce is on that thing.
So you got that reaction.
Andy, what do we have today?
It's a DC thing, so
right.
we're making fried chicken.